Hey everybody, this is Beast. Welcome back to my channel. My name is ScottyAllenDay. I got spectacles on today, so that means we're going to be cracking packs today. I ran out of battery juice on that, so I already cracked the pack before I got a chance to start the videos. These are inspirational quotes. Some of them should be humorous quotes, and some of them are compliment quotes. We don't know what kind of quotes, so we're going to find out which ones are funny, interesting. We're going to rate this pack. And hopefully we can have a little bit of fun today. And happy day after Thanksgiving, by the way. So, without further ado, let's get cracking. So the first one is going to be Beady Beady Bomb Bomb. Beady Beady Bomb Bomb. That almost sounds like a chitty chitty bang bang. Chitty chitty bang bang. Chitty bang bang. Chitty chitty bang bang. Beady bomb bomb. Beady beady bomb bomb. You are beautiful. This world is full of magic. Zoom it out a little bit. No, I'm going in. There we go. This world is full of magic. Yes, yes, yes. You make my heart smile. You make my heart sing. Make yourself proud. Sunset Chaser. Then sings my soul. The jam about the young idea. That doesn't make any sense. Dare to be different. Grateful and blessed. You are God's masterpiece. I'm a straight man with gay pride. What a wonderful world. Do justly, love mercy, work thoroughly? I can't read it. If not now, when? Know your worth. Whatever sprinkled your donuts. I've never heard of that quote before. Till the last petal falls. She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. Radiate positivity. The means are the ends. The best is yet to come. You are worth it. Of course, everybody is worth it. Stay true. Yes, sir. Home is something I can't read it, but I'll put it up there anyways. Tropical. Oh, to see without my eyes. Respect the drip, Karen. Make a move. Book nerd. It should be a better sticker. I can do all the things through Christ who strengthens me. Donut love hope. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. It's all good. God is within. She will not fall. I can't read that. Can't read that one either. It is well with my soul. Be still. It's missing the rest of the quote. Be still, my heart. I'm with you always. Too small prints. Keep your distance. I kept my promise. Now keep your distance. What movie was that from? Love yourself. All simp for no back. Keep on, keep on, keep on moving. My children bark. No, my children saw logs. The best is yet to come. You need to calm down. Or like a friend of mine, Ralph, who says, put the hammer down. Life is too short to wait. Be brave, be honest, be kind. Follow that dream. Allow yourself to be a beginner. No one starts off being confident. Family. Just be your own unique, beautiful self. Yeet or be yeeted. God is within her, she will not fall. That was the other one that I just had that I could not read. It's a better sticker. She is worth more than rubies and pearls. Every day I love you more. Dream big. Love, strength, faith, hope. Radiate positivity. You're doing great. I'm not sorry about your fragile masculinity. Treat people with kindness. No doesn't mean convince me. Oh yeah. Live to travel. Weekend. Be the boss. Be the boss, man. Be the boss. Stand by me. Has anybody ever seen that movie? You are amazing. Let your light shine in. Bury it and rise above. Stand tall and be proud of yourself. You are amazing. By his wounds we are healed. Still here, still strong. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. 'Cause tonight I'm on my way. What song is that from? Gratitude. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Introvert. It is well with my soul. Treat people with kindness. But who do you recall? The most famous reindeer of all. Dasher and now Dancer, now Count, Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. It's all on that sticker. Be filled with joy. I'm surprised I could read that one. Land is free because of the brave. Thank you for being the reason I smile. We do be vibing, Doc. Have courage and be kind. Try not to sneeze. Not today, Satan. Had the time of your life. You guys got to sneeze on camera. Believe the hype. Believe the unicorn. I'm on my way. Faith, hope, love. Grateful, thoughtful, blessed. think happy thoughts. Peter Pan. His love endures forever. And I don't even know what that says. Choose happy. You are perfect. So, there's my video for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry I ended up with that big old sneeze. But, I guess I have hay fever or something going on. But, oh well. Hopefully you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below with which videos did you like and which stickers did you like the most today. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Again, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And like always, keep on walking.